Hello guys, welcome back to Pick the Best Ones. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best cookie presses. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press. Do you have a large family? Do they enjoy eating cookies for breakfast or as snacks? If you are tired of buying expensive pre-baked ones, cook your own. This is not as hard as some people think. First, buy one of the best oven mitts from your favorite store. They will protect you from burns. You also need a new Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press. This is a spacious cookie press machine. Fully loaded, you will cook up to 30 delicious cookies without breaking a sweat. Kuhn Rikon Clear is a top-rated cookie press that makes cookie making fun. You will enjoy using it for many reasons. Because of its lightweight design, for instance, most people can handle it easily. You do not require any special skill. The 14 steel discs that you get are also fun to use. They have interesting shapes: square, oval, and heart. Their installation, removal, and/or cleaning are easy. All cookie presses are only as good as the quality of their designs. Low-grade ones collapse under pressure. Chemical-rich ones (BPA), on the other hand, lower the quality of cookies. Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press is different. Even though made of plastic, it is durable. Its see-through barrel is convenient, while its BPA-free design is safe for use in homes and restaurants. Its quality is admirable. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Marcato Atlas Deluxe Cookie Press. Marcato Atlas is a reputable Italian brand with quality kitchen accessories. The cookie presses in its arsenal are the most popular, though. This deluxe model, for instance, is a commercial-grade press made of stainless steel. The material is durable. It also has a stylish finish, which resists scratches and/or dents over the years. In terms of style, Marcato Atlas Deluxe is one of the best cookie presses on the market. Furthermore, if you are looking for a high-performance press, it outmatches most similar products in numerous ways. Because of its lightweight and ergonomic design, for instance, you can maneuver it easily whilst in use. It is also easy to load and operate and has 20 interchangeable discs made of BPA-free stainless steel. They improve how individuals make cookies at home. This is a low-maintenance cookie press. All of its parts are also hand-washable. Warm water and soap, you can easily clean residues without compromising its structure or performance. It also comes with several add-ons that boost its value further. Its detailed recipes, for instance, are delicious. You also get an instruction booklet and a 10-year warranty that covers all manufacturing defects. At number 3, we have the Wilton Cookie Pro Preferred Press. To cook delicious cookies, do the following. First, learn as much as you can about cookie making. Do you know how to select the best dough? You should also look for palatable recipes and buy a quality press such as Wilton Cookie Pro. Even though ignored, the latter comes in handy in many ways. It is easy to use. It is also spacious and has a well-engineered handle that works efficiently. Round cookies are boring. They are also uninspiring whenever you are hosting cooking projects with your kids. If you are struggling with these issues, this Wilton Cookie Pro Press is one of the best remedies. The 12 shapes and mini cookie cutters it comes with work well. They are also durable and made of BPA-free materials that do not lower the quality of cookies in any way. Have you bought many cookie presses that have broken over time? Do you have a wasteful cookie press that you are planning to replace? Buy a new Wilton Cookie Pro Press. Made of heavy-duty plastic, its parts are not only stylish but also durable. It also has a non-stick interior that boosts its efficiency and a non-slip bottom for safety. This is one of the best cookie presses for homes. Wilton Cookie Pro comes ready to use. All you have to do is fill it with dough and fit your preferred tip to make cookies. You also get detailed video instructions and an e-book with several delicious cookie recipes that you can try at home. At number 2, we have the OXO Good Grips Cookie Press. Home to some of the best kitchen accessories, OXO Good Grips is a reputable brand. If you enjoy cookies and want to bake chef-grade ones at home, buying this cookie press is a good decision. It has a durable design. Whilst in use, you do not have to worry about it falling apart under stress. It also has a lightweight and well-balanced design that most individuals find easy to use. Are you tired of the shapeless cookies that you make whenever you are preparing breakfast for your family? To improve your results, you can do one of two things. First, you can order pre-baked cookies from your local restaurant. This is expensive. You can also replace your worn-out cookie press with a quality one such as OXO Good Grips. This is an affordable device. It is also efficient and has a non-slip base that boosts the safety of its users. You will never have issues using this cookie press from OXO Good Grips for 3 reasons. First, its lightweight design is fun to use. You will not struggle with it to make cookies, as is always the case with some standard remedies. It also dispenses dough cleanly and efficiently, which appeals to most people. You even get a clear BPA-free cylinder for monitoring the quantity of your dough. OXO Good Grips Cookie Press, like most similar devices, has interchangeable cookie discs. If you like to experiment with different patterns as you cook, this is one of the best products to use. The discs are durable. They are also easy to install, BPA-free, and come in a plethora of interesting shapes that people like. These include flowers, sunflowers, butterflies, daisies, and hearts to name a few. And finally at number 1, we have the Wilton 415-0906 Dessert Decorator Plus. While baking cookies, condiments such as icing sugar are essential for people with sweet teeth. It improves the taste of pastries such as cakes and cookies. However, for best results, do not use funneled pieces of paper to apply such condiments on cookies. Use this Wilton 415-0906 Dessert Decorator Plus instead. It is a durable kitchen-grade product. If you are rough on your kitchen devices, the risk of it breaking over time is slim. It will serve you well for long. Are you looking for a high-capacity decorator for personal or professional use? Wilton 415-0906 is ideal. Measuring 3.2 x 2.2 x 10.8 inches, this is a spacious decorator. At full capacity, it holds up to 1–1/4 cups of filling or icing. Whenever you are cooking large batches of cookies, you do not have to refill it often. This saves people time. The risk of contaminating condiments is also low. Are you a novice chef? Are you looking for a dessert decorator that you can use easily at home? Wilton 415-0906 Dessert Decorator Plus is one of the best in 2019. The pull-out plunger it has, for instance, is ideal. It is easy to use with your left or right hand. The plunger is also durable and efficient. It does not waste dough as some low-grade ones often do. Finally, this product has detailed photo and text instructions that ease its use further. The value of Wilton 415-0906 Dessert Decorator Plus has made it a sought-after product worldwide. Unlike standard decorators that break down easily, its premium design withstands abuse well. It is also BPA-free and comes with 5 interchangeable tips for generating various designs. You will enjoy using this product at home. It is not only durable but also works flawlessly every time. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.